up, guys? As always, we're doing SLIME slime videos, and I'm gonna be showing you we're just gonna be playing with slime, and my different kinds of slime, and she's just gonna entertain you, and then we'll get back on the slime that I'm playing with right now. So my sister is going to take it over. Hi guys. Wait a second. Wait, restart this video. Restart it.
Hey, it's my grace.
My sister's putting something on real quick, so hold on. Okay, guys?
I'll go tomorrow, Larry. I can't wait to see their faces when I'm waiting for them at the
I'll show you my slime.
Son, if you live your life like it's always a race, chances are you'll get exactly what you want.
And guys, I'm
That's what I'm saying. What I meant was, you'll pass everyone by and wind up yourself. No one else.
All I know, Larry, is life is a race, and nobody wants to be a loser.
Did I ever tell you about the turtle and the rabbit? Well, now see, a cousin of mine decided to race a jackrabbit. Everyone told him, "You're crazy. A turtle ain't built for speed." But he went ahead anyway. And you know, the darndest thing happened.
Just gonna spitball here. The turtle got to the finish line first.
Nope, never saw him again. Crazy varmint had no sense of direction.
That's a good one, Larry.
Hey, wow! Another frog.
Sorry, Larry. You okay?
I'm all right. You're fine. Cleared my sinuses.
Wind up with yourself. Like I'm gonna take advice from a talking rock.
Just to recap.
Okay, guys, my sister's gonna talk to you now and tell you the different kinds of slime. You guys know what I mean.
Only 1 in 5 of us are lucky.
And some other stuff. Yeah, and some other stuff.
Excellent form, recruits, just like me. Keep on, keep
Hi,
steady.
guys.
All right, Flock, keep it loose. Fly like a
I
goose.
just wanted to tell you that I'm Kamaya's
Did you?
sister,
I was really worried about you for a second.
Sorry, Dad.
and
I really tried to talk
I
you
see
sense
her
into
most
it.
of the time.
It's easier to train a frog to fly. No offense, Johnson.
Right? Oh, and I just wanted to say that there's, I'm going to tell you, Kamaya's, one of Kamaya's famous slimes. What is it called? One of Kamaya's favorite slimes is Fluffy Slime. And if you watched her other video, you would know. You could comment down below Fluffy Slime, one of her favorite types of slimes. Or you can comment down any other thing or something. And our shout out goes to our dad and Kamaya. Kamaya for being here. Oh, and guys, if you can guess whether do I have fluffy slime or do I have straight and soft slime. So, fluffy slime or straight and soft slime. If you guess it right, I'll give you a shout out, but that's not it you have to type. You have to type how old I am, and if you, and tell me if how much I absolutely love slime. And you guys should already know this, because the one you did in the last video, you should do this video, because some of you probably got it right. I haven't checked yet, because I'm not done. But my sister's going to take over. Oh, and guys, I just wanted to say
Must have been a catfish.
that, what Dad say?
Wow.
I'm so not a cat person.
Yes. We are? Yes, but not right now. Wait, what? We are, but not right now. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, we're going to the skating rink. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got a headache. Did you say that? Okay. And I wanted to say that we will type, and you could type to win. How old do how old Kamaya is going to be, and how old she is right now.
And I'll give you a hint.
Yeah.
My birthday is February 23rd.
You're our mom?
So that's a hint.
Everybody has a birthday.
And guys,
It's a birthday.
here's another hint. I'm in 3rd grade, so.
And here's another hint. I'm her sister. Oh, and you could comment down below what my name is. I said it on the last video.
So he thinks that anyone
You should watch it.
our mom.
And
Yeah.
you have to guess my name and my brother's
Do you
name.
understand that that's
And that's her
disgusting?
brother.
Gross.
That's our brother.
Oh, and you have to comment down below what you think her dad's nickname is.
I'm Chi, and this is my little brother Challenge. We got separated from our flock, and we really
Okay.
I'm not his mommy, and
Bye.
I'm not your baby.
Now back to Kamaya's slime. Let's get it.
Oh, sorry.
Okay guys, so this
I
is a
didn't
Batman
know you were so
character.
Asian.
This is slime down
Stop
here.
that. My butt. Stop. Hey,
This is
wait.
slime down here.
Stop. Hey,
Please.
So this is slime down here.
just wait. You crashed into our flock, and that is child endangerment, which makes you responsible.
The only thing in
that's our
danger
sign
around here is me
right here.
getting plucked
Now
alive.
here's a Batman
Can you help
character.
us or not?
I would say I'm an orno. Absolutely not. I want
So
nothing to do with you and the baby piranha. I got a flight to catch.
Slime
You
ball
are
on
a dirty
you.
pile of jerk feathers.
Jerk feathers? That's an insult?
Here's my slime. Here's this
Get
guy.
off me, you loony.
And I'll be helping Kamaya do her outro. And I have a couple more things I need to tell you.
What a day. Well, at least I know I can't get any worse.
Today's December 12th.
Okay now, guys, I'm going to be eating a piece of this slime, okay?
Don't panic. Okay, it might
see
not
this?
be that bad.
Yeah, I need the stick.
3,
Okay, Peg.
2.
Here we go.
Hold on,
Come on.
wait, guys.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Where's the stick? So hold on, wait. 3,
Not doing it.
2, 1.
Now, isn't this interesting? Fraser, it seems the new mother is unable to fly.
Oh my gosh.
I do believe she's a lame duck deuce, actually. What a terrible thing it is.
Come on, are you alright?
Injured in the wild. Oh, yeah, it's deadly, I understand. No goose could be
Want me to
reduced
tell them more
slime
stuff
rind.
now? Guys,
Quite
trust
a
me, don't
story.
ever eat slime.
Dinner
That.
And a show.
What?
Oh my gosh, there's so much puke on the floor. I don't want to make you puke, so I'm not going to show you to you. Because Kamaya doesn't want you to. I won't show you, Kamaya. Want me to do the outro for you? Guys, I just puked all over my shirt, but I'm not going to show you. That's really disgusting. Oh my god. I need... Sis, call the ambulance. Go get dad. I can't breathe. Can't breathe. Oh. Wait, Maya, wait. Maya, go get I'm about to die.
My mom said I'd never go anywhere.
Can't breathe. My throat.
What I need is something that can throw the bad guys off my scent. An insurance policy. Whoa. I don't need to be faster than a predator. I need to be
Okay, you can have the outro now. Want me to do it for you?
companions. My good buddy.
Huh? Oh my gosh. Kamaya? Oh my gosh, guys. I have to leave right now. Oh no, she's moving.
I just passed out or something.
Guys, oh my god, I'm sorry. I just passed out.
I don't feel good.
Right? But no,
Don't eat slime, guys. I'm serious.
And guess what?
I'm literally about
To puke
to puke again, and I feel like I'm just gonna die.
Okay, so let's stop this.
I think I'm gonna stop this video. Okay, bye guys. Just kidding, guys. That's a prank, guys. I'm fine. I did not eat that slime. I threw it behind me. And the reason why I was doing this, like my face was over here to where you couldn't see this side, is because I was gonna go like this and threw it behind me and I dropped it, guys. I was making noises like I peed, but guys, that is just a prank on y'all. Guys, I'm fine. I hope you liked the video.
And I want to
Bye.